The HyperX Cloud 3 headset offers advanced audio customization through its equalizer settings. This premium wireless gaming headset provides access to EQ controls through the HyperX NGENUITY software or in-headset buttons. Equalizer settings let you adjust frequency responses for optimized sound in gaming, music, or communication. The headset features 53mm drivers and a wide 20 Hz to 20 kHz frequency response range. The NGENUITY software provides a 10-band equalizer with sliders for precise adjustments from plus 12 decibels to minus 12 decibels per band. It includes presets like bass boost or vocal clarity for quick sound profiles. Recent firmware updates have expanded built-in presets to 10 and improved integration with PC software for real-time adjustments. AI-assisted recommendations, added in mid-2025, analyze sound and suggest EQ tweaks for different game genres or user preferences. To customize your EQ settings, use the NGENUITY software to adjust the 10 frequency bands. Understand that low frequencies, 20 to 250 Hz, control bass, mid frequencies, 250 Hz to 4 kHz, handle mids, and high frequencies, 4 kHz to 20 kHz, manage treble. For FPS games like Valorant, try boosting lows by plus 6 dB at 100 Hz for enhanced footstep detection, cutting mids at 1 kHz to sharpen voices, and slightly boosting treble at 10 kHz for crisp gunshots. Save your custom profiles and use the in-headset buttons to switch between up to 5 presets on the fly. Avoid overboosting frequencies to prevent audio clipping. For music production, flatten the EQ curve for accurate sound reproduction. Finally, explore AI-driven EQ recommendations within the NGENUITY software for genre-specific optimizations.